Ah, it works. So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another programming workout. And we will start with 5 minutes of typing. So, let me start the timer and let's go. Uh, am I in focus? Yep, should be okay. TDB. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I didn't do this so much. Moved. Oh, come on. ED, RDB, none, return, this, this, scene, B, V, and return, this, okay, let's see, now, yeah, this, DP. What are you doing? So many typos. Minutes. Yeah, there is something like that. And this one is specially made for programmers. So you have, the things uh, like all the signs and so on, which you normally don't get in normal typing things. Dict. Chat. D. Come on. C. you are doing, and hooray! The time is off. I don't want to do it anymore. Stop the timer. Okay, good. So we did 5 minutes of typing. How long are you working with the split keyboard? I started like I had it for a week before Christmas, and then I went away for a period of time, and I didn't touch a keyboard at all. And now I have it since like 4th of, so 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe of usage. So I'm still getting used to it and reprogramming it and so on. Okay, so next thing we are doing is the Java thingy, right? And we will be doing the inner classes. So let me start the timer now. And we will go. Yes, I'm just getting used to it. So it's still new to me. So, oh, and I was doing the inner classes. So, no, I didn't. It's new to me. I'm still getting used to it. Previously, I had different weird keyboard, which is this guy. Okay, mouse.com. You can look it up. It's a keyboard. It's a mouse. It costs almost as your house. And it's not really. I cannot recommend this one. I need to sell it. Uh, yeah, this one is the trackball version. I have the mouse one, which this part is mouse and this part is mouse too, so you can move them both around. It doesn't fit me, and I tried for 2.5 years with it, and in the end I was angry with it too much. Yeah. Yeah, the rhyme was good. So I have a problem because this kind of gives me a hint. Uh, so here uh, I will do this. It will be package, and we will say, I don't know what here is. So there's, okay, so this is nested thingy. Okay, cool, cool. Then we have this guy, which is JDK 13 is missing. What? 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 Okay, so just download it. Azul community, sure. Do your thing. Do your thing. It's doing. Okay, and we have this. That, yeah, it definitely has a problem with Java 13. It doesn't know the arrow functions. So download. Be faster. Mm, and okay, so here I will create package. This will be temporary package, and I will take all of those. We shift, and we'll move you here. Bye bye. Okay, cool. And then I will have a package run one, and here we will our solution. So it's called inner classes. So it will be okay. I don't know. Inner oh fuck inner class. So I have some class, and then I have another class, another class in here, and this is how you do it. Very simple. But that's not all. Then we can. Okay, so this is like nested class, I think. So we can have a like nested class. This one is nested. I think so. We will change the name. Rename is not available during what? Indexing. Okay. So we will not rename it then right now. So we have that. Then we have a function class, I think. So here we will create a Java class that will be nested function class, and here we will have a static void main, for example, and we can have a class or class, and here will be the definition, and we then can do new our class, right, and we will override the string which was Alt Shift I? No. How was the insert? Oh, that was this. To string, yes. Okay. Okay. Why don't you? Here we go. Ah, that's what I want. So and now we will extract this to our class, and we can do set our class. Here we go. And now I want to run it, which I will do by pressing this. Control Shift F10. Yeah, fuck. So Control Shift F10. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. Anonymous overridden print. What? What is this trickery? Are you kidding me? Oh, because it's running different thing. Okay. What was the problem? And if I do Control Shift F10. Yeah, it's fuck Lenovo. Fuck Lenovo. Fuck you, Lenovo. It's capturing my shortcut instead of going to here. Wow. Fuck Lenovo. Whatever. I can do. What I can do. I just leave it as it is. Hey, Orkson. whatever I have selected at top. You mean like this? You mean the file I'm in that will run it? Yeah, and Control Shift F10 should do it. Yeah. Ah, yeah, but the problem, I think it should run the file which I'm in, but if I do Control Shift F10, a Lenovo, go to Lenovo Vantage bullshit pops out, and I cannot change the shortcut. I don't want it. Yeah, I think so. How are you today, sir? Well, so this works, and I did run out of ideas, which means that I'm fine, I'm good. Uh, so what do we have? So we have a non-static nested class. Ah, oh. So we have a static nested classes, and then we have a non-static ones. Hey, Colonel. I'm doing Java. I'm having this thing which I call programming workout, which I drill over and over again some things. And currently I'm doing inner classes, and I have 14 minutes to go. And then I will, so 5 minutes of typing exercise and 25 minutes of doing that. And here it is. I can read whatever I want to, right? And then I go to code and I code it, but I cannot look at this, and that's the. And I did code and I didn't remember shit, so now I will read. So, so we have nested classes. So the first one we kind of did, right? That we have in here, and if we go here, I want us to rename this to nested class. Go. Oh, cool. So that was fast, surprisingly. And then nested classes are divided into two types: non-static nested classes and static nested classes. So inner classes and non-static are a security mechanism in Java. We know a class cannot be associated with the access modifier private. But if we have a class as a member of other class, the inner class can be made private. So this is like, what the hell? Where's... Okay, so inner classes is the entire this. Okay. And inside of inner classes, we have inner classes. Don't you hate your life? Why are you calling this the same? Inner classes, security, blah blah blah. I read it. Inner classes are of three types depending on how and where you define them. They are inner class, meta-local, and anonymous inner class. So this is like a normal inner class, meta-local, and anonymous. So the normal one is what they have. Oh, I really like this dark plugin which I installed. It's really good. Like everything is darker. Um, Um, Here's private class. Why did you make it private? You can, okay. So, and there's like this method, and then we have inside of the outer, we have a display inner, create an instance of it, and print that, okay. So this is the normal inner class. Then we have, okay, lots of saying around it. So then we have, what is this? Following program shows how to access the private members of a class using inner class. Well, basically you create an inst. Oh. So I did program for a living in Java. We never did this. Never did this. Never, never, never. I might be bad at it, but we never did this. I might have been bad at it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Following program shows how to access the private members. Okay, so basically you create the outer instance, and on the outer you create a new all right. That's something I should do as well. So the basically trick, the entire what they are talking in here is this. This is the trick. This is the new part. And method local. So it will be right in method. There's the class. Sure. So that, and then we have anonymous in our class. That's the third one. And the anonymous in our class is you just say new anonymous inner and then you define the class. There's no here it is. Here's abstract. Okay, so what's the difference? Inner class declared without a class name is known as anonymous inner class. In case of anonymous inner class, we declare and instantiate them at the same time. Generally, they are used whenever you get to override the method of a class or an interface. Okay, so why the fuck do you have this here? Huh? Do I have to have it? Okay, 7 minutes. So I'll start coding. So uh, here first what we want. So there were three of the three types of it of the nested classes. So uh, I did the normal nested class, then the nested function class is fuck. Nested function class it is inside of the method, right? Or well, maybe I can do this. There will be public void uh, method. It will take nothing, but will return everything. And I guess I just take this guy and put it in here, and then I can do after all of this, I think I can, so that was alt and arrows? No, how did I, oh, I see. So, like so, okay, yay. And then I can create a new instance of our nested function class, new nested function class. Yep, that's what we are doing. And then on that I will call the method. So nested function class method, and that should print out the thing we did, right? So it works. Yep. That like so. So that works. Who's genius? Me. And what we wanted also to access in a class, but why would you do that? So in the nested class, I have that, and then let's say we will have some fields. So I will just create pub public void print, and this will take no parameters, and it will just print out some shit as that class. And okay, good, good. So now polystatic one main, how do we use that, right? So we can do a new, come on, what you are doing, nested class, right? So I will extract that, and then what we will do is create another thing, right? So I can say nested class dot new. Here we go. That was another class. Oh, you're very good, very good. And this is the another class, and then I can say on another class dot print. I'm sorry, I'm burping so much. And now I can run it, and it runs again the previous thing, right? That is bad. Okay, I need to change the key map, I guess. Where is it? So that will be Control Shift A. Okay. Why are we here? Go here. Key map. That's exactly not what I wanted. So that will be Control Shift S, I think was the Control Shift S. No, Control Alt Shift S. Here we go. So this is project structure. That's not what I want. So say preferences prefer setting. Where is that file? Settings. Control Alt S. Okay, Control S. This is not Control Alt S. This is. Okay, so key map, and we will search for. It was run something, right? Run, and it was. Oh, Alt Shift 10 is Control Shift F10. It's run agent. So Alt Shift 10. We can try. So Alt Shift F10, and we can Ah, okay. So I can do that. I can say 1 or 2 and so on. Okay, so that was Alt Shift N. Nested class. Bam. Okay, some shit inside nested class. It works. Approved. So we did the 2 things and we still have 40 seconds or something to go. So let's have a look in here. And what if there's an abstract class. So what? Okay, so this is the implementation of it. Do I have to have this abstract thingy at all? So this is the anonymous thingy. So, and I'm out of the time. No, no, no. I'll try anyway. Here, and we'll say we say class and non-name house inner class, and here at polystatic void main we will create a new abstract class like so, and here we will say doesn't work. I need to have it defined order. If I just copy this in the main, yeah, it doesn't work. Oh, fuck. That was Control Shift F12. Yep. Still remember shortcuts. That's good. So we'll delete those, and then I need to define the abstract animals inner class animals inner abstract class animals inner, and here will be the definition, and this will have a probably maybe here I can do, how was it, all enter? Create in anonymous in, okay, good. Oh, here we go. And what's your problem? Cannot be reference from static context. What? What does it even mean? What's different? Anonymous inner. I don't know. I don't know what's the problem. It says clearly. Make anonymous inner static is one of the solution. I can, if I do that, oh, go back. Altrip Center. Oh, come on. Okay, so that is changed this. Okay, so do they have the static as well? Did I just overlook it? No, they don't. Well, anyway, this concludes this programming workout. Kind of feel like it failed, or I failed. But, oh well, it is what it is. And stop. And I want also stop recording.